What is problem solving agent? A problem solving agent is a goal based agent. Okay, if you take any agent, the problem solving agent should be a goal based agent, means the agent should take the actions based on the goals only. Okay, the problem solving agents decide what to do by finding sequence of actions that lead to that leads to a desirable state. Okay, what is problem solving agent? It will decide what actions to be taken to reach the desired state. Okay, so that is called problem solving agent. Now usually if you take intelligent agents are supposed to perform, it should give maximum performance. Intelligent agents should give maximum performance. How it will give maximum performance? The intelligent agent should have a goal and you should aim at satisfying it. Then only it will be giving maximum performance. Okay, so for example, if you take the students, so when they will give maximum performance, they should have a goal. Okay, and they should aim at satisfying it. Then only that particular agent will give maximum performance. Okay, so that is why the problem solving agent will be having a goal, it will adapt a goal, and it is having a aim at satisfying it. Okay, so that is why the problem solving agents will be always giving the maximum performance. Okay, now what is that goal formation here? The goal formation is the first step in problem solving, because then only it will give maximum performance, yes or no? So the goal formulation is the first step in problem solving. So this goal formulation will be based on the current situation and agent performance measure. So based on these two, goal formation will be done, and it is the first step in problem solving agent. Okay. And what is goal here? The goal is considered to be set of goal states, except exactly those state in which the goal is satisfied. Okay. So what is goal? Here will be having set of states through which, if the agent is passing through those states, then only it will be satisfying the goal. For example, usually if you take small kids, they'll be playing finding the path between the rabbits and carrots. So we have to find the path. Children used to find out the path between rabbits and carrots. Rabbit will be somewhere here, carrots will be somewhere here. Then the path will be given. No? So the rabbit will reach the carrots in only one path. Okay, there are no other paths to reach the carrots. Okay, so like that, the goal will be having exactly those states in which the goal is satisfied. So what is agent task here? What is the agent function? What is the agent main goal? Is to find out which sequence of actions will get into goal state. It has to find out which are the sequence of actions it has to perform to reach the goal state. Okay. Then what is problem formulation here? The problem formulation is the process of deciding what actions and states to consider given a goal. Okay, goal is given here. Now what is problem solving? It will just find out in which direction it has to go. Okay, and which state it has to reach. Okay, so it just find out, it will be deciding what actions and what states to be considered. Then only it can reach the goal state. Okay, so we'll be having different paths to reach the carrots. But if you take the correct path, then only you can reach the carrots. Okay, so what is the problem formulation? It has to decide which actions and which states to be considered given is goal. If goal is given, so which actions and which states to be considered, that is decided by problem solving, problem formulation. Okay, and goal directed agent need to achieve the certain goals. What is goal directed agent? Means what? It has some goal, so it has to reach its goal. Okay, so that is the goal directed agent. So many problems can be represented as set of states. If you take any problem, it will be represented as set of state, and it has set of rules, and a set of rules of one state is transformed to another. When it is transforming from one state to another state, it has to use that set of rules. Okay, so like that, the problem will be represented every time. So the Agent must choose a sequence of action to achieve the desired goal. What is the agent work here? Agent must choose the sequence of actions to achieve the desired goal. What are the actions it has to take to reach the desired goal? For example, if you take vacuum cleaning agent, so if there is a dirt in this area, it has to clean that area. Once after cleaning, it can move to the next location like that, yes or no? So it has to take the actions to what is the goal here is to clean that particular area. So after to clean that, it has to take the correct action, okay, to reach the desired goal. So the process of looking for sequence of actions from the current state to reach the goal state is called search. What is search here? It is the process for sequence of actions. So we are taking some sequence of actions, no, so that we can reach the goal state from the current state. Okay, so that is called search. So what is search algorithm will do here? Search algorithm takes a problem as the input and returns a solution in the form of action sequence. Okay, search algorithm will be taking what is the problem here to reach the, for example, you take rabbits and carrots example. So rabbit should reach the carrots. Okay, that is the problem. And what is the search algorithm will do? It gives a solution. It gives the what are the actions in which direction. So go left, go right, like that. It will be just giving the sequence of actions. Okay, so that is the that is the so that is the job of search algorithm. Once the solution is found, the action it recommends can be carried out. Okay, so the solution will be found by using search algorithm. Search algorithm gives us the solution. Once the solution we got, then what is the agent will do? Just it will carry out all the actions it is given the solutions. Okay, so this particular phase is called execution phase. What is execution phase? After getting the solution from the search algorithm, all those actions will be performed by the agent. Okay, so that is called execution phase. Okay, so therefore this is a simple, what is that we did? We did problem formulation, then we also search for the solution, then we have executed the solution. Okay, these are the three things we have done. Okay, there is a simple formulate, search and execute designed for the agent. Okay, for any agent, we have this. We have to do problem formulation, we have to do first, then we need to search for the solution, then we have to execute the solution, whatever the actions it is given in the solution. Okay, that should be executed here. Okay, it is the design for the agent. So after formulating a goal, a problem to solve the, after formulating a goal, a problem to solve, the agent calls the search procedure. After formulating the problem, what is the next step? Agent calls search procedure to solve it. Okay. It then uses the solution, whatever solution we get from the search procedure, to guide its action. So using that solution, it will guide its actions. Okay. Doing whatever the solution recommended as the next thing to do. Okay, so the solution will just recommend what is the next thing to do. For example, if you have passed 10th class, what is the next thing you have to do? That will be given by the solution. Okay, so it doing whatever the solution recommends as the next thing to do, that will be done. Typically, the first action of, say it is the action of sequences. After executing first action, it has to go for next action. So the first action is completed, no, 10th is passed, no, you just remove that. Next action is inter, next action UG, next action PG, like that. So the first action of the sequence, then removing that step from the sequence. So since first action is over, no, remove that from the sequence. Once the solution has been executed, agent will formulate a new goal. Okay, so once the solution is executed, what is the next step of agent? It has to formulate new goal. Okay, then it has to search for the solution to the new goal. Okay, so this is the example of the simple problem solving agent. So see here, it will be just taking the current percept as the input, and what is that? It returns an action. So inputs are percept is the input, and here we have a database called sequence. Sequence I told no. So it is the action sequence. Initially it is empty. Action sequence will be given by the searching algorithms. Yes or no? Searching algorithms will give action sequence. And state. What is the state? Some description of current world state. How the current world without agent action, with agent action, how current world is now. That will be getting the information from this state. Okay. And goal state. So once we reach first goal, it has to go to the next goal. Yes or no? So that is why initially it is null. Okay. And then problem. It will be just problem formulation. So what is your problem here is, for example, if you take a vacuum cleaning agent, then it has to clean the area. Okay, that is the problem. Okay, so that is the problem. These are the things it will be having here. Now, just now we know that how do you update the state? To update the state, we use update underscore state, because it has to have the current state, means how the state of the world now, and percept. Using these two information, we will be updating the state. Okay, then if sequence is empty, then what is that? First step is to formulate the goal. So here we have discussed now what is the first step. Once the solution has been executed, agent will formulate a new goal. Every time the agent will be formulating new goal. So if there is a new goal, then there is no sequence of actions. Okay, so first we have to formulate the goal from the state. Okay, once it is cleaning this particular area, then it has to go to next area. So that is the goal of the vacuum cleaning. Yes or no? So goal will be formulated using formulate underscore goal. Okay, then after formulating the goal, we have to give the problem formulation. So how do we define problem formulation? From the state of the environment and from the goal. Okay, so we will get what is the problem formulation. So problem formulation is